What's going on YouTube? Zachary Kramer with Cool Cars for Sale, bringing you the coolest cars for sale on the internet. We, in this video, are going to go camping. I'm going to take my daily driver, my 330 XDrive 2018. It has a JB4 tune in it. That's literally it. It's a lease. And we're going to take it camping. I'm going to take it all the way to Mount Katahdin, which is the end of the Appellation Trail. It's about a 9-hour drive. I'm going for about 5 days. Super excited. And I'm going to see if you can take a regular BMW 3 Series camping. I looked it up. There's a bunch of very interesting roads up there. A lot of gravel, rocks, difficult to get around. Really, I need a 4Runner or a Raptor to go, but I'm gonna pack up the car and I'm gonna do it, and I'm gonna make a video for you guys. So let's do it. All right, so we're getting ready for the camping trip. I got a lot of stuff in this corner here. My friends are making fun of me. They say that I'm gonna go glamping. Because I got an expensive tent, a Yeti cooler, a bunch of North Face stuff. It's going to be a lot of fun. Let's see if the BMW can handle it. Honestly, it has enough space for all this stuff. I think it's just going to be fine. Let's see. So we almost finished packing the car. I'll show you what it looks like. It's pretty tight. So we got the cooler, the sleeping bags, and this is a pad for the tent, and behind that we have a bunch of suitcases and stuff like that. It's packed in very tight. And then over here, tent, suitcases, more stuff. The car is completely full, and honestly it's doing a pretty good job. Not bad at all. Fits everything we need just nice, and we're gonna be on our way. Let's go. Made it to the campsite. As you can see here, I parked in the woods. I had to go over these rocks. It was not fun. I did not scrape. Very happy about that, but I don't know how I'm gonna get out. I'm probably gonna scrape on the way out. But she's in there, and let's set up this tent. I did it. It is beyond cold. PB&Js. In the ice cave. Harrison, how was your time in the ice cave? Tell everyone on YouTube. There's a bear up here. His name is Cam. All right, so we're coming down. We're coming down to the cliff. Give you guys a quick peek. We're on the cliff. This is my rock. This is sick though. Definitely come out here. Got a little firewood in here. Should be okay. We'll vacuum that up another time. Okay, you're not on the seat. it was supposed to rain, so we put these tarps up, and it didn't end up raining, but they're suspended across the entire camp. Goes from there to there. There it is again. Nah. It's pouring right now. This is the true test of the $700 tent. Our tarps are not really holding up too well. Thank Cam for that. Cam is over there.
Fuck off.
At least the fire's still going, but yeah, that's not good. I'm eating some cornbread. Tonight we got some sloppy joes going, courtesy of Harrison. Sweet. Nice Coleman propane powered grill.
Propane.
That's my friend Jeff right there. Good fella. He might be dead, I don't know. We'll see. His friend unfortunately died earlier today. This one, I don't know. We got a frog in Cam's tent. Look at that guy. Hey buddy, what should I name him? Mr. Hopper. Oh my god. Alright, get him. Oh, he's gonna slip right out of my hand. Yeah, this is gonna be so funny. Oh, you actually got it. Nice. Oh, there's Jeff. No, Jeff, no. We got frogs, we got Mothra. Harrison, he loves it. Like, I don't know.
There's no fun.
This thing is massive though. Look at this thing. It's shaking. It's hideous.
Cool. Look at those antennae.
Yeah, look at that.
It's cleaning them.
I don't know what it's doing.
Hey, don't move. Stop.
Alright, so trip was a success. The car held up with a couple bruises. I hit a few sticks that scratched up some side panels. Not too happy about that, but it will actually buff right out. It's just a pain in the ass. As you can see back here, the car honestly has a lot of room. No issues with the room, and we didn't pack light at all. I actually didn't wear like 50% of the clothes I brought. Overall, very fun trip. Had a great time, and we will show you what the car looks like when I get back to Jersey. See you in 9 hours. So we're here in Kennebunkport, Maine. Stopped on the way home. I got this beautiful 1.5 pound lobster I'm gonna eat. Harrison got a fat sack of fries. And we'll be home in 5 hours from here. Killed the lobster. There wasn't enough food, so I ordered more. I ordered a sandwich. Stopping for gas, you know, only Shell V-Power 93, that's it. That's all you put in the car. Driving for probably about 5 hours now, and it says we won't be home till 11:30 almost. I got bored of driving, and I eased driving. Let's go. Nice night though, not bad. So it's the next morning. Made it home. Just want to show you guys the car before I have it washed. It's pretty messed up. Take a look. front, you can drive up. Nice and soapy over here. Hopefully the bugs and sap get off from this. Entering the car wash. The reason that I'm not doing a touchless car wash or a do-it-yourself is because apparently New Jersey does not believe in touchless car washes or do-it-yourself car washes. There's not one for over 50 miles of here. So if you're an entrepreneur with some money in Jersey and you want to invest with me in a car wash, hit me up. Also, I don't have a hose or a pump at my apartment, so this is the only thing I can do. The M3, hell no, I would never do this. But for the 330 and Elise, it's fine. Oh yeah, look at that. Yeah, put those scratches all over my car. Woo! Scratch City. I like that. There we go, phase 2. Oh yeah, that thing's gonna freaking kill my car. So is this. Everything in here scratches the car. It's awful, absolutely awful. But at least it will be clean with a bunch of scratches. I'll do a paint correction before I give it back to the dealer, because I'm not paying for any of this. And we are now at the end. We will go through the drying stage. Not the best car wash. They don't really have good stuff, but it's the only one open because of COVID-19. Very disappointed with the car wash. It barely did anything. There's tree sap everywhere, bird shit. They didn't do anything, and on top of that, the door sill is still dirty. Jersey needs to start opening things up because I'm getting pissed off now. It's really annoying. I mean, just look at this. So I'm going to park the car in the garage. It's all clean. I'm going to take the M3 for a couple days. It's going to be real nice. Brother just picked one of these things up. Pain in the ass, but a very cool car. Fun to drive, a little bouncy. I'll make a review on that in a few more weeks. Got a lot of stuff planned for you guys, but can you take a BMW camping? The answer is yes, you can. Should you take a BMW 3 Series camping? Probably not. It held up very, very well. Suspension, no problems there. It kind of felt like a little bit of a rally car, to be honest. It was pretty funny. It was a lot of fun just ripping through the forest. Overall, though, I don't recommend it. If I do end up going camping more often, I think when this lease is up, potentially go with like a 4Runner or maybe even get one of these. I really enjoy driving this. Like I said, I'll make a review. Until next time, see you later.